Have you ever found yourself in a foreign country, struggling to pay for a taxi or a meal? Or perhaps you've been caught short of cash at home. In today's increasingly digital world, having a reliable mobile payment solution is more important than ever. That's where Grabpay comes in. Grabpay is a convenient and secure e-wallet that allows you to make payments for a wide range of services, from transportation and food delivery to online shopping and bills. It's a great alternative to carrying cash, and it offers a host of benefits like cashback rewards and exclusive promotions. Step-by-step guide. Downloading the Grab app. The first step is to download the Grab app from your smartphone's app store. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on the Sign Up button. Creating an account, you'll be prompted to enter your mobile number and verify it with a verification code. After verification, you can create a password for your Grab account. Adding funds. To use Grabpay, you'll need to add funds to your e-wallet. You can do this by linking your bank account or credit card. Simply tap on the wallet icon in the app, select Add Money, and follow the instructions. Using Grabpay. Now that your Grabpay account is funded, you can start using it to make payments. To pay for a Grab ride, simply tap on the ride icon, select your destination, and choose Grabpay as your payment method. For food delivery or online shopping, you can use Grabpay as a payment option at participating merchants. Security features. Grabpay is committed to ensuring the security of your funds. The app uses advanced encryption technology to protect your personal information and financial data. You can also enable two-factor authentication for added security. Grabpay perks. In addition to convenience and security, Grabpay offers a range of benefits. You can earn cashback rewards on your purchases, enjoy exclusive discounts and promotions, and even participate in lucky draws. So, there you have it. Setting up a Grabpay account is a simple and straightforward process that can greatly enhance your digital payment experience. With its wide range of features and benefits, Grabpay is a must-have app for anyone looking for a convenient and secure way to make payments. If you're ready to experience the convenience of Grabpay, download the app today and start exploring the many benefits it offers. With that said, thanks for watching. Until next time, happy Grabpay ing.